We'll start with Sefer Shmiras Haloshon, and the topic today, Forfeiting Eternity. Rabbi Raphael Hamburger, 18th century Torah luminary, in his work Marfei Lashon, offers another insightful explanation of the verses, which man desires life, guard your tongue from evil. He bases his thoughts on the following passage from Sefer Havos Levovos Sharei Hakeniach, chapter 7. Okay, so different interpretation. Let's see. On the day of judgment, many people will find themselves credited with meritorious deeds, which they did not do. These are not mine, each one will declare. He will be told, these are the deeds of those who spoke despairingly of you, and thereby caused their merits to be transferred to your account. And one who spoke despairingly will be told, these deeds were taken from you when you spoke against so and so. So that's if we understand just what it says, it's very scary, right? So it says when somebody speaks Lashon Hara, his merits is being taken and given to a person who that person spoke about, against, not about, I guess against is a better word, right? So if one person would come and say, all of this merits not mine, I did not do. Yeah, you did. So and why? How does he know he did or did not? Because every mitzvah has a special angel that it was attached to it. It has stamp, date stamp, and description of the mitzvah. So he said, no, I did not put tefillin 3 times on that day. It's not me. He said, yeah, it's from those and those people. Okay. Conversely, some will find acts of guilt on their account. Surely they will never commit it. When each one will protest, these are not mine, he will be told, these were taken from accounts of so and so against whom you spoke. That's it, right? So person is losing his mitzvahs, he's getting somebody else's awareness. That's not a good place to be, as we understand. The above is found in other sacred works as well. A person may spend a day or two learning for himself internal bliss through Torah and mitzvahs, only to exchange these merits for the neighbor's sins by speaking against him. That's a not good investment, right? Just to speak about, let's say that person even he's Rasha. If he's a known Rasha, that's a different. But let's say he's an innocent person, right? Not a good idea. A few more days might go by, and he accrue more reward, only to lose it at all the same manner when another opportunity for evil talk comes his way. That's what we always say, just the best way is to keep quiet. This pattern may continue until the day of death, when he departs his world, stripped of all of his possessions. There is the Torah and mitzvahs, in which he invested much time and effort. That's a scary thought. Like, at least for me, it's very, very scary. Like to toil all your life and then give like all of the merits to whom? To your enemies, to people who you did not like. Maybe not enemies, but people who you try to make fun of. Therefore, David first exhorts us, guard your tongue from evil. And only then does he say, turn from evil and do good. The way to ensure that the reward of the mitzvah of Zormas remains ours for all eternity is by refraining from speaking ill of our fellow Jew. Okay. So don't speak well unless we said it's for constructive purpose and somebody is going to learn and maybe somebody is going to change. Maybe you're going to affect somebody's lives, but otherwise, like 99% of the time, it's not the case. Okay, so we stop here.